Hi everyone, I'm Kayden and I'm 9 years old, and today I made some Blondie brownie cookies with my mom and they was so good. Make sure that you watch this video to see how they came out. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kayden.
Hello, I'm Katrina and this is my 9-year-old Kayden, and tonight we are making some delicious ooey gooey. What are we making, Kayden?
Blondie cookies.
Blondie, brownie, cake, cookies, whatever you want to call them. We're going to do chocolate chips. I love walnuts, but I know he's not going to eat walnuts. And again, this is
Walnuts.
Exactly. You see what I'm talking about? Again, this is to get him eating and trying new things. He loves cookies. He loves chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to do away with the walnuts, but I have them here. Should sneak some in, right?
No.
They're so good. You should try
I don't
them.
want to eat walnuts.
Okay, so we're not going to use walnuts, so we're just going to do chocolate chip blondies. But you can add whatever little treats or snacks you like. These are all your ingredients. This is going to be real simple, Kayden. I'm not going to do anything this time. I always say that, and somehow or another I'll always end up doing something. But I'm going to let you do everything, okay? Because this is Cooking with Kayden. So I have this already lined. I have everything already measured out for him, and I'll go along and I'll say what you need. So all the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. So Kayden, the first thing you need to do is we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Okay. So let's put it.
Press start.
I know. Let's put it on start. Then we're going to put it on wait, set time.
You got to set the time first.
I know.
Everything is I know.
I know.
All right. So now what? You gonna dance the whole night? Did I say spit the gum out?
Oh, dang it, you noticed.
Yeah, I noticed. Go spit the gum out, please.
I could just.
Spit the gum out, please.
The last one.
Thank you. Okay, so we gotta heat. That's your side. Okay, so you're gonna take the sticks of butter and we're gonna start melting because you need warm butter. Okay. All right. Put
Oh,
both
it's
in.
sliding.
I know it's melting right away.
Let me do it.
Just drop it in. You see how quickly it's melting? So you just want to make sure your heat is on really low. You just want to melt the butter. Make sure it goes in the pot. Good job. All right, I'll take that, throw that away.
Why does it look like egg yolk? You'll take the yolk. It looks like the glaze that we made for the donuts. And also egg yolk. Melted butter. Ready to run.
That's your melted butter.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Come on, Kayden.
Good job.
That's scary.
Hold the bowl with one hand. Kayden, so when you're mixing, I don't know why you mix like that. You are right-handed. Mix from right to left. And go like this. This is what it's for. You mix in the middle. Okay, baby?
I know you don't want me saying this stuff on camera because it won't help our YouTube channel. But why did it look like it looked like Dookie?
Bruh. Alright, Kayden, now we're gonna add vanilla extract. Alright.
Vanilla extract. Crack 2 eggs. I got this. I'll do it right this time.
Hold on.
Oh! Let me use something. Let me do it with this.
One hit. Okay, you hitting too many. That's when it breaks up. You can't allow it to go in. Whisk.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Okay, Kayden, it's time to add the flour.
Oh.
You better not drop it. Get it all in, all in. Kayden, stop playing with the food. There go all the flour.
Oh.
Take your time, slowly hold the bowl.
Slowly. Now it's mostly just like.
Here, I want you to switch to this. Switch to this.
Switch to this.
And you're gonna go around. Let me take this out.
You gotta get everything from the sides, all around.
You have to get everything in. And you're just gonna form it together. This is the cookie batter, okay? This is the blondie batter.
Literally just tell me.
Okay, so come on, do it. I'm holding the bowl for you. This just all comes together. And then once you get it together lightly, okay, then, sometimes you gotta turn the bowl. All you're doing is flip it, like flip it in and out. You gotta get all the flour mixed up, okay? Kayden is mixing.
This takes muscles.
This takes muscles that you don't have.
Muscles that I do got.
All right, so Kayden, let's see how it looks.
So now it is time to add the chocolate chips in it. Mommy, can I taste one?
Go ahead. How did it taste?
This is good.
All right, but don't eat them all. Jump them in, Kayden. Get all the chocolate chips in. So Kayden, you gotta make sure the chocolate chips are spread all the way around because you don't want one piece of the cookie to have one chocolate chip and the other ones to have 20. So you gotta make sure it's spread evenly around.
Actually, yes, I do. Because I want the one with Freddie. And you get the one with one.
That's not right.
Let me spread them all around.
Let's look and see what he's doing.
They look so beautiful. I just want to eat another chocolate chip.
You just want to eat another one? You breathing all close to the batter. Okay, so Kayden, I know he's not going to be able to hold the bowl and put it in, so I'm just making sure everything is spread out evenly.
They even look like cookies. They're not in the right form yet, but if you get them there, then we can make all kinds of shapes. Circle,
But
square.
this is going to be square. Okay? So we have a 9x9 pan and it's lined with parchment paper. You can line it with aluminum foil, or you can base it with butter or grease, but we're using the parchment paper because it's much easier when it's time to come out. All right, here you go, Kayden. Into the pan.
This is much more easier. Let's get all of that. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Come on. He laughs for every single thing. He has the giggles tonight. Get it all in there, and then we'll spread it out.
Get into it.
Come on, make sure it goes in and out, because the way you flick it, it's like it's gonna fly off. All right, let's speed up the process. See, it's so hard not to touch anything with him because he plays around so much, and I'm trying to get the stuff in.
So am I.
Are you really?
Then you gotta scrape it harder than that.
I am. I'm gonna get everything out.
Let me scrape it.
I'm gonna use this.
No chocolate chips shall be left behind.
That's right. So you want to get everything out.
The things be sticking on there. I don't like them.
I know, because it's like the brown sugar and the, yeah. Do you want to taste it first? A lot of people taste it.
Yeah.
Not
bruh.
Oh,
from
you
the
mean
bowl.
like that?
From the bowl.
Oh yeah.
So you go ahead and taste that. So now you just mash this out. How does it taste?
Good.
Tastes good?
Get some more.
You know, everybody used to love the cake bowl. So we can put a little bit more chocolate chips too, right? Like to be
Yes, honey, yeah. Do the whole bag.
No, that's too much. So we just add a little bit more chocolate chips on top so they look better. And you just want to...
And taste better. Most importantly, taste.
And now you just want to spread it around, get it as even as possible into your baking pan.
To make it look nice for Instagram.
All right, Kayden, how does that look, baby?
Good. I say we need more chocolate chips.
We need more chocolate chips?
Yes.
This boy wants chocolate chips galore, but I think that's a lot of chocolate chips, Kayden.
No, it ain't enough.
It is. Oh my goodness, that's gonna look so good. And there you go, Kayden.
Here we go. Oh, this is not heavy at all. Time to go into the oven.
All right.
Let it cook. Let it cook.
How long is it gonna cook, Kayden?
It's going to cook for 3 years and 50 cents.
We're gonna let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, okay?
25 to 30 minutes.
All right.
We'll be back. And I'm all about cookies, 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 cookies. Now it's time to get them out. Smells so good.
Be careful.
Oh my god, it actually smells like cookies. So my mom said that we've got to let it sit for 10 minutes before we can cut into these things. Just can't wait.
It's okay, let them sit and we'll come back. They look so good, Kayden. Okay, so actually, Kayden, now you just need to transfer it from here onto the cooling rack to let it sit. So this is why we use the parchment paper, so it'll be easy to lift. Be careful because this is really hot. Go nice and slow. Make sure you have a good grip. Come on, transfer, transfer, transfer. There you go. And you'll let it cool just on here. That looks really good.
Looks like a cake or a pie. Can we just cut pieces off from it? And
We're gonna cut it into squares, okay?
I just want to take my big pie.
Back up. Wait, 10 minutes. We'll be back in 10 minutes, okay?
10 minutes equals 10 TikToks. What the?
Are you ready?
Yes.
You're so ready to cut these bad boys. Let's get something to lay them out, little man. So, Kayden, I'm gonna cut them because I want to make sure they're cut straight, okay? All right. So we're gonna cut them into 9 equal parts.
Just cut it fast.
And you can cut these however you want. If you want them big, if you want them small. But we're gonna cut them into like 9 even parts, and they're so soft and moist. Do you like the outside or do you like the inside? Are you like a more crust person or do you like, you know what I'm saying? What piece do you like best?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, who else is here?
I thought you were talking to the camera. I don't care. I just want to eat it.
You just want to eat it. He just wants to eat it.
Yeah, just give me a piece like that.
Okay, I'm going to give you a piece.
They look a little like brownies.
Yes, they look like brownies. They are blondie brown. It's like a cookie cake.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with this, with the way it looks. For me, you need to speak of some chocolate chips on the top.
He wants the chocolate chips to be shown, but trust me, there's plenty of chocolate chips in here. Okay, Kayden.
But we gotta eat at the same time.
Yes, that's how. You already hype. He don't need no more sugar. Come on, calm down. All right, you ready?
Oh! Let me just get a bite.
Go ahead, take that one. Wait. Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness, so rich. Oh my goodness. How does it taste, Kayden?
Good.
What did you say?
Good.
Oh my goodness, good job, Kayden.
Let me taste the back.
It's so fudgy. so rich.
Just like me. Taste the back, mommy. Turn them around to this side. Taste the back.
Guys, easy recipe that you can do. Kayden did it himself. I only stepped in like maybe once. These are good. Blondie cookie brownies. Good job, Kayden.
Thank you. I said thank you.
You're welcome. It's a movie night with some blondies. Let's do it, little man.
Thanks for watching Cooking with Kayden. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share with a friend or a family member who might want to see this. You know, share the recipes.
Comment down below. Again, all the ingredients, the measurements will be linked down below in the description box. We're cooking with Kayden every week. Snacks, delicious meals. Keep coming back. Join the family, join the fun, and we'll see you next time on Katrina BTV. Bye.
Bye.
He's in heaven. So say we'll be back and then dance out.
We'll be back. And then dance out.
Don't say dance out. Say we'll be back and then do your dance.